How's it going, guys? It is I, Rides. In today's video I will be talking about the Atlas 2.0 Impaler helmet, the helmet I have on my head right now. So I'll basically be telling you my first thoughts on this helmet, my first week having it on, because I ride my bike a lot. So I've had this on for like one whole week now. But I'll be basically just telling you my first thoughts, any positives, any negatives, etc. And before I proceed with this video, guys, because I do want to get right to it for you guys, instead of taking my long ass time with everything. So if you're new to this channel, guys, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos when I upload. But it's up to you guys. I am almost at 1,000 subscribers and I do really appreciate it if you do hit that subscribe button. But remember, guys, it's up to you. You don't have to, but I do really appreciate it. But let's continue with this video. And my first positive about this helmet is the artwork. And this is pretty weird. The artwork of this helmet is mind-blowing. I haven't seen an artwork on this helmet like any other helmet. Like, this artwork, it's just different. It's just different compared to other helmets, like the big brands. Okay? And that's why I decided to go with Ruroc, because on their site right now they have different types of helmets, different types of awesome artworks, and it's just mind-blowing. And I just went for this helmet because it just suits my bike, because it's red and black, and you got some red, you got some black, and it's just awesome. And it suits my personality. It just suits me, and it suits my bike, and everyone just stares at me, and it's just awesome. So my second like about this helmet is the comfort. The comfort of the helmet, it's just insane, because my first helmet was a shockwave helmet, and that's the same size and etc. It's a large. But the problem I had with my last helmet is the comfort. It was a $500 helmet, but the comfort was just terrible. I could last with it for like an hour or two, but after that my ears will be killing me, my head will be killing me. Sorry, I just had to do that because I just absolutely loving that. I absolutely love doing stuff like that. But when it comes to the comfort is just so good on me right now. I'm not having any ear problems or any head problems. It's the right size and etc. It's just so cozy. I don't have any problems with it at all. And when it comes to my third like about this helmet is emergency paddings. When it comes to taking off the paddings and etc., you got these two red tabs underneath. With these two red tabs, if anything happens, hopefully it never happens to you or I, but if something happens, if we like crash, okay, for example, emergency services can help you take off your helmet in seconds. Usually they do with other helmets as well, like they just usually chop off or cut through your buckle. They usually chop through your buckle straight away, but when it comes to the buckle, it's a magnet, and you just have to pull this red tab and it just comes off instantly. And you're probably wondering, oh, it's a magnet. Wow, that's probably really dangerous. I'm telling you guys, I have videos about this with them taking it off straight away and putting it together, and it never comes off until you pull this red tab. But when it comes to the emergency paddings, when something bad happens or you just taking it off to clean it, you pull these emergency paddings off and it just completely comes off. so you don't have to hassle around taking it off, and it just comes off instantly for you. And when you want to put it back together, it's really easy. There is videos online, people taking it off and putting it on, so you can check out that, guys, on YouTube. And I'm just saying, it's really easy. But my first dislike about this helmet, and it's actually my only dislike, is my front chin padding. When it comes to my front chin padding, I'm just saying, it just comes off too easy. And you might be saying, oh, if it's easy, that's awesome, I can just take it off straight away. But I mean, it's really too easy. So if I take off my helmet for anywhere, my front chin padding will come off instantly when I take off my helmet. So my chin actually takes my front chin padding with me. So when I take it off, it comes off with me, and it's annoying. It does get really frustrating and annoying, because it does take a little bit to get back in place. And yeah, it's just annoying. That's one of my dislikes, and hopefully they change it in the future with their 3.0, or they just update it. But that's my only dislike about this helmet. It's my only. I'm telling you the truth, guys. And just to let you know, I am not sponsored by their business at all. I am not sponsored, but I'll put their link in this description below, so you can check out their site if you're actually planning to buy these helmets. But that's my only dislike. And when it comes to my second last like about this helmet, I've got only two more. My second last like about this helmet is it's designed for motovlogging. So if you're a motovlogger like me, you're probably better than me, or you're just getting used to it. You don't have to buy some Chinese eBay chin mount or GoPro mount. You don't have to buy some mount where it sticks on the sides or on the top and it just weighs your helmet down. You can just go on their site and buy this $10 front mount, and it directly goes right at the front, and you get this front amazing footage, what you see right now. This amazing footage. And when it comes to the audio, you just gotta have the right mic. Hopefully mine doesn't catch any wind, but if it did catch any wind in this video, guys, it's just about where you place your mic, because there's a lot of YouTubers who have this helmet, big YouTubers with this different types of mics, but when it comes to their video and audio, it's just absolutely amazing. And hopefully my audio is amazing too. But when it comes to the mount and the GoPro, it's amazing for this helmet. You won't have any problems with the front mount, and it's not screwed on. So if you do crash, hopefully that never happens. But if that does happen, it just directly just comes off. It's just a simple chin mount. And my last positive about this helmet is tinted visors. I have a black one on right now, and it's absolutely amazing. You don't see your face in it. Everyone just looks at you, stares at you, and it's just absolutely awesome. They got gold, they got blue, they got orange, and they got black. They got some clear ones too, but I'm not a big fan of clears. I like my tinted. And I got two black ones. I should have got a gold one to try out both. But when it comes to this helmet, it's just absolutely just completed. And I bought this on the sale. It was $500, exactly the same price as my old open face helmet. And I just decided to buy this because it's just more protected, more protection compared to my open face. And when it comes to the visors, helmets will go for $500, don't even have any colorful visors. Okay, because I went to my bike shop, or went to like a big warehouse, and they had so many helmets, and I had to spend almost $1,000 to have a helmet what is tinted enabled, and that's a bummer. So if you guys are actually planning to buy one of these, it is expensive, and it was on sale, so I bought it for $500, and it goes almost $1,000. So you might have to wait, guys, if you're trying to get a discount on this helmet, but hopefully they put it on sale again. It's like Christmas soon, so they might do it again, but maybe not. But that's basically it, guys. Like, only one dislike, and that comes to the chin padding, but hopefully they'll change that one day, or you can buy different paddings. But that's basically it, guys, and I'm just saying, this helmet is absolutely the best. I'm loving it so far, and when I do this 1 year review, I'll let you know anytime if something bad happens to this helmet, but nothing won't happen because this helmet is a beast. So guys, I'm probably going to let you go, but if you're new to this channel, guys, like and subscribe. It does really help the channel out. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, but it's up to you. But hopefully this video made your day, or you're actually planning to buy one. Hopefully it helped you out. But I'm going to let you go, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.